Hello and welcome. I am JV with the Cyber and U team, and today we are going to cover how to first download and then install the Firefox web browser. So to start it off, all you're going to do is click on the Microsoft Edge and or Internet Explorer icon, and then you're going to hit the search or enter web address at the top here and type in mozilla.org. And then you see the download Firefox button here below. You're going to click that, and then it's going to have a prompt down here asking you to either run, save, or cancel. In this instance, we are going to save, and then once that finishes, we're going to hit open folder so we know where that file saved to. I'm also going to have the link in the previous step in the description below. So let's continue. We're going to see the Firefox installer right here. We're going to double click that. And then down below you're going to see a little shield pop up, and this is just for Windows to ask you, are you sure you really want to run this and install this on your computer? And of course we do, because we do trust this installation. You're going to hit install on this, and then it's going to go through the installation process, which can take between 2 minutes to 10 minutes. It just depends on your computer and how quick it responds. Once the installation is complete, you should see a new Firefox web browser open up, and the way to verify this is at the bottom here. You're going to see a little Firefox icon, but let's close out of this. You should also see the icon on your desktop as well. Well, today we covered how to install the Firefox web browser. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I'd like to ask you to please subscribe and hopefully see you in our future videos.